Mind your business. I mean, it is that I don't got edges.
You are a gift.
I probably should not have done that.
You're getting in that chair.
Y'all didn't see that. What the freak? What is pippity popping YouTube? Katrina Galini here, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, hey cousin, subscribe. If you're not new, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today what we are going to be doing is a whole little transformation, boo. I'm going to be a different person at the end of this video. It's not me, it's somebody else. But y'all, we have to do my hair, my nails, and my lashes. I haven't had my lashes done in literally so long. Giving baddie on a budget. Get your iron up, girl.
Oh, he trying to get out.
But today we're just gonna do some clusters because we're keeping it cute, keeping it cheap, and keeping it very baddie on a budget. So y'all, I have this wig that I haven't worn in a long time. We're gonna see if I can make it do what it do. Do I still got it or not? I need to know. So that's the first thing on the agenda. After that, we're gonna go ahead and move on probably to lashes because I don't want to do my nails and then my lashes. But after all of this, y'all, I need to go take some pictures. I haven't been in front of a camera in like, I don't know how long. I've been doing mostly shorts, mostly little tutorials, cooking videos, wig videos. Y'all haven't seen me in a minute. Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Okay, y'all, let's get started because this wig got to come off in order for me to put on another one. This one got to come off.
So yeah, first and least, we got to take this wig off. And if you laugh at what's under here, oh, that actually kind of hurt a little bit. What the freak? Y'all, do not do what I'm doing. Do not do what I'm doing. Put some alcohol or something. Oh, okay, let me go ahead and you just go. This is just water and oil, y'all. There we go. Okay, y'all, so this is what the freak was under there. If you laugh at me, you're anti-black.
Boy,
Don't
that escalated
racist.
quickly.
Anyways, this is the wig we're gonna be putting on, y'all. This wig used to be bright fire truck red with pink in the front, and that was just a cool little wine red. Maybe not even wine, but just like a darker red than what the freak it was at first because I'm just tired of it. I'm tired of it. And now I'm tired of this free spray on my head. So I'm gonna take some alcohol wipes and go ahead and clean that off because it's about to piss me off. I was gonna say don't be dirty, but that was dirty actually. There we go. Okay, y'all, so now we can really get started. Let me show y'all the hairstyle that I want to go for. Mind you, I never did this hairstyle before. Never in my life have I done this hairstyle before. Hey, I don't know what to tell you.
Got to see it through, my boy.
God damn it. This is the vibe that I'm going for, guys. You know, this is the vibe that I'm going for. So we about to see if we can make it do what it do. This wig got like absolutely no lace on it for real, but hey, it gotta get melted. It's I don't know, but it's gotta get done. It's gotta get done.
Okay, y'all, so today we is in my bathroom. I don't really, record in here because it's nowhere for me to set my stuff up for real. But here we are. I made a way for y'all. Okay, so y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and push my edges back because I need my edges, whatever little bit I got, I need them because it's already hard enough for me to do my edges when I be having like braids and stuff in there because I mean like my junk, it's not even that I don't got edges. I mean it is that I don't got edges, but it's just like my hair start immediately from the root. It's just all real hair. It's no baby hair. Look at this. That can't be edges. That's at the very front of my hair. Why is this not in a braid? Y'all didn't see that. But moving on, we're gonna go ahead and push my edges back. And if you say anything about me doing my hair with my glasses on,
Through that paper, your mom's a hoe.
yeah. Let's go ahead and see what this wig talking about. There's barely any lace on it. But how much do you really need? Okay, hold on, period. Okay, hold on, period. I like that, I like that. Okay, y'all, so I only used to do this at the beginning of me installing a wig, but now I kind of see why it's useful. All I know is it better come off when it's time. Because if I really install this wig and it's so tea like that, y'all never gonna be able to talk to me again. Never. Hey. Okay, y'all. Now it's time to blow dry this. Because I definitely think I'm gonna do more than one layer. Because the style I'm about to do, I need it to really stick. Because if it come up when I start doing my ponytail, I'm gonna know something. And now it's time for the second one. Y'all, that glue needs to be dried up clear. Okay? Okay. The glue needs to be clear before you start doing too much, getting your hands stuck in the glue. I'm only doing 2 layers, but y'all can do 3 if you want your wig to stay. If not, do what you want to do. And if I don't have no edges after this, mind your business. Mind your business. Now we're gonna blow dry again. Dry it till it's what? Till it's clear. Okay. Okay, y'all, so now it's time to go ahead and slide this wig into the glue. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna try to keep this on for an hour. Y'all heard it came. An hour is power. Okay, she might not have said that, but that's what she meant. So that's what the freak we're gonna do. We're gonna leave this on for like an hour. I would go ahead and start styling, but I got a part like from straight here. Y'all, in the meantime, while I'm waiting, I'm gonna go ahead and start my lashes because let's kill 2 birds with 1 stone. What are we waiting for? Well, what is there to wait for? There's nothing to wait for. Lashes, now.
Okay guys, so it's time for me to go ahead and do my lashes. It's time for me to become 2/3 of a different person. Maybe not 2/3, maybe like, I don't know, whatever the math is. Wig, half done. Lashes is 2. You know, there are 3, whatever, math. It's time for me to go ahead and do. So I'm gonna use my super cute tweezers that I freaking got for my lash stuff. Mind you, I'll be taking clients very soon. You're getting in that chair. Yeah, you're getting in that chair. You have no choice, book. But again, I'm using the same lash tray that I did last time because I still got a bunch of more lashes in here. So we're gonna go ahead and get this started. Hopefully I can do this on camera because last time it just wasn't working out for me. But hopefully this time it'll be fine. So yeah, the longest length I'm gonna use is gonna be 16. Yeah, I don't know now. See, that's what I don't got time for. That's what I don't got time for. Okay, hold on. That made it kind of easy. Yeah, I think while we're doing this, we should have a little girl talk, you know, a little chat. Because I just feel like it's so much stuff that I'm learning this year. And not even necessarily learning, like, it's stuff that you've been new. Like, you've been new, having your own self, having self-worth. Like, it's not even being, like, insecure or anything, but it's about having standards and sticking to them. And that goes for anybody, not just a relationship. That goes for friendships. That goes for your work. That goes for literally anything. If it's something that makes you feel uncomfortable, you don't have to deal with that. You should not have to tell anybody how to treat you or how to act towards you. That's not cool. They're obviously not for you if you got to teach them how to be for you. If that's the case, let them go be for whoever they for or whoever they want to be for. Because it's not even like they don't know better. They do. And there's certain people that they wouldn't do that to. You're just not one of them. So you just have to stop giving people so many chances to treat you certain types of ways. Because after a certain point, they're gonna think it's cool and it's fine and you'll get over it and you'll get them another chance because it was never that deep. But it should be that deep with you. It should be deeper than that with you. It should be so deep that you can't even reach the bottom of it. Why would you treat me like that? Don't let nobody treat you no type of way, because that's how habits are formed. Not farmed. That's how habits are formed. After a while of somebody doing the same thing to you, treating you the same way, and you're not saying nothing, doing nothing, making no changes, they start to get comfortable. And your presence is a gift. You are a gift. Don't be nobody backup. Don't be nobody's second option. You are the best thing to ever happen to people. So it's just like, don't let people treat you like you're not. Don't let people treat you like you'll always be there. That's the first mistake. Because them thinking that automatically put you on the back burner. That automatically let them know they don't have to do too much when it comes to you. And you are the prize, boo. You're the prize. By not making sure you get the treatment you deserve, you're your own worst enemy. Y'all, I'm messing up, literally. The last time I did this, one of these fell in my eye turned gray.
Okay guys, so these are the final result of my lashes. Y'all, these are not even stacked. This is just one layer of lashes, and yeah, I feel satisfied with the outcome. So let's go ahead and figure out what's under this lace band. Okay guys, so we are freaking back. It's been an hour. Let's see if it's been power. Jesus. Let's get an alcohol wipe to clean off my lace. I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of looking good on the camera though.
Clap that thing. Clap that thing.
Jesus Christ. Okay, nobody panic. I think that sounds like a lot. OMG, is coming out pretty okay. What the freak? Now y'all, we're gonna do these edges first because I don't have no time and I don't know how to do edges. I probably should not have done that. Y'all, this is where I'm at so far. I cannot do no edges on camera, so I had to get off the camera, get off that phone. That phone be the problem. You on that phone all the time. But now that I'm done with all of that, y'all, it's a stop playing. But y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and straighten my hair now. Y'all, I did not think I could do this. I literally did not think I could do it. I was like, I don't know. I was just gonna try it. But here we are. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. It's tea, of course. It's tea. It's tea. But yes guys, this is the final result. I do love it. Like, I was actually pretty scared of this hairstyle. Just scared to do it myself. This seems like something I should book with somebody else, but I got it. I got it. And now last but not least, I need these nails not to look like this no more. No more. No more. So we're about to go ahead and put on my press-ons, and then we're gonna be done. I think I'm gonna show y'all my outfit so y'all can see everything all together, because why would I not? So I think I will do that. But for now, let's go do my press-ons.
Okay guys, I had to put my scarf on because the ceiling fan is on because it's hot as freak in here. And who's turning that AC on again? Not us. So I got my scarf on, but I'm about to go ahead and do my press-ons. Of course, the first step is to follow the top of your nail and the shape. You go in with your buffer, and then you go in with your glue, you know. Well, typically an alcohol pad right before that to dehydrate it, and then the glue with the press-on nail. But I didn't come here to give y'all a tutorial. I just came here to show y'all me getting ready to be a bad mama jamma, okay? Okay guys, so this is my first hand completed. Super cute, super calm, super casual, you know. I'm about to go ahead and do my other hand off camera just because it's very repetitive, so there's no point in me doing the same thing 2 times on the camera. You know, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my other hand off camera, and I'm gonna come back to y'all and show y'all the final results.
Okay guys, so finally my nails are done. And now I could go ahead and get dressed. I'm also gonna go out here and give me something to eat, so love that. But y'all, let me show y'all what I'm wearing today. So I got this shirt that I got from Shein. I got these pants right here. I actually got them from my mama, so I don't know. This purse right here from Shein. I got these shoes right here from one of those shoe stores, you know, like what's them places called, like Carnival or Shoe Land or something like that. And yeah, it's supposed to give something real simple, real calm, real classy, you know. And we just about to eat that up real quick, so I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed and let y'all see what the freak I'm looking like. Okay guys, so just a quick overview of my outfit. This is what I'm looking like, y'all. I actually don't got on no jewelry. What the freak? This is the basis of my outfit. It's giving so grown, so sexy. Like, I feel so grown in this outfit, y'all. Like, I feel like I've never looked this grown before. But yes, guys, we're gonna get ready to go outside, and then I can go ahead and take my pictures. We can go ahead and get something to eat, and that's the day right there.